welcome everyone. I am Dr. Sheenu Arora, Assistant Professor in Department of Management Sciences at Technia Institute of Advanced Studies. Today, we are going to discuss the essentials of Human Resource Management or HRM, a vital function that keeps the organization running efficiently by focusing on their most valuable asset, that is people, whether it is a growing startup or a multinational corporation. Human Resource Management plays a critical role in shaping the workplace culture, employee performance, as well as organizational growth. What is human resource management? So, human resource management is the strategic approach to managing people in an organization. It involves a wide range of responsibilities from recruiting the right talent, training and developing employees, as well as managing performance to handling compensation, employee relation, and ensuring compliances with labor law. In short, human resource management helps aligning human potential with organizational goal. Key functions of human resource management. Let's quickly look at the core function of human resource management. First one is recruitment and selection, finding and hiring the right people for the right roles. Training and development, providing employees with the tools and knowledge to grow. Performance management, setting clear goals, giving feedback and evaluating outcomes. Fourth one is compensation and benefits, creating fair and motivating pay structure as well as perks. Fifth one is employee relation, building a respectful and encouraging workplace environment. Compliances, ensuring all the processes follow legal and ethical guidelines. Human resource management is vital function in organization that focuses on effectively managing people to achieve organizational goal. Here, an overview of the nature of the human resource management, that is strategic. Human resource management aligns human resources with organizational objectives, ensuring that people are utilized to drive business success. Second point is people-centric. Human resource management focusing on well-being, development and performance of employees, recognizing their value as a key resource. Third point is multifaceted. Human resource management encompasses various functions including recruitment, training, performance management, compensation and employee relation. Fourth point is dynamic. Human resource management adapts to changing organizational need, market conditions, and employee expectations. Compliances driven. Human resource management ensures that organizational complies with relevant laws, regulations, and industry standards related to employment and labor. So, the importance of human resource management. First one is talent acquisition and retention. Human resource management helps attract and retain top talent, reducing turnover and improving organizational performance. Second one is employee engagement. It creates positive work environment, boosting employee motivation, productivity as well as job satisfaction. Third point is compliances and risk management. Human resource management ensures that organizations complies with relevant laws and regulation, minimizing risk and liabilities. Fourth one is organizational performance. Human resource management contributes to achieve organizational objectives by aligning human resources with business strategy. In summary, human resource management is a critical function that focuses on managing people to drive organizational success. Its nature is strategic, multifaceted, dynamic, and compliance driven. So, the various functions that contribute to talent acquisition, employee engagement, compliances, and organizational performance. This is all about human resource management. Thank you so much. I hope you like this lecture. So kindly share, like as well as subscribe the Technia TV. Thank you so much.